Good news for home buyers. You've got a few more choices. I'm David Stark and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. The number of homes on the market in communities throughout the East Bay reached a 4-year high during April. More supply didn't push down prices. The median in the East Bay during April topped 1.2 million. More homes on the market meant more homes sold compared with last April. Let's look at local markets, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale, mostly up. Berkeley, Castro Valley, Hayward, all up 20% or more. Oakland up more than 40%. Prices also mostly up. Fremont, 1.8 million, up more than 20%. Union City, 1.5 million. Sales up almost everywhere. Fremont, 88 sold, up more than 70%. West Contra Costa County is next. Homes for sale, mostly up. El Cerrito, double compared with last April. Hercules and Richmond both up at least 40%. Prices mixed. El Cerrito 1.3 up more than 20%. San Pablo 635 down almost 10%. Sales mixed. El Cerrito way up. Richmond and San Pablo both up more than 20%. Let's check central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale mixed. Big increases in Concord and Martinez, down in Clayton, Pleasant Hill and Walnut Creek. Prices mostly up. Walnut Creek 1.6 up more than 10%. Sales mostly up. Pleasant Hill 28 sold, up almost 50%. Next, Lafayette, Moraga, and Orinda. Homes for sale mostly down. Moraga 8 for sale. Prices down slightly everywhere. Orinda at 1.87. Sales mixed. Lafayette and Orinda both up. We're in the Tri-Valley next. Homes for sale mostly up. Alamo 38 for sale, up 90%. Dublin up 50%. Prices, Alamo, Danville, and San Ramon all in the 2 million range. Sales mostly up. Danville 66 sold, up more than 50%. Pleasanton 57 up more than 70%. Let's close in the Delta. Homes for sale up everywhere. Oakley and Pittsburgh both up more than 50%. Prices mixed. Discovery Bay at 930. Sales mixed. Brentwood 79 sold, up almost 60%. Pittsburgh 36 down 25%. Last thought, are buyers enthusiastic? With prices and sales both up, the answer is yes. We'll see you next month.